Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to reassemble this beautiful Baldwin lock that I got from Chris Capune and Suki, the Lock Lab manager, looking over the logo there. Slinky, the assistant Lock Lab manager, helps out quite a bit as well on the channel. So go check that channel out. I will leave a link in the description below. Wonderful picker, great member of our community, fantastic lock collection. Sent me this one a long time ago. Didn't get around to picking it because I was intimidated by that bitting. Yep, high cuts, very low cuts. So I just picked it. Took 5-6 goes in a row to try and pick it. So now I'm going to reassemble it. So popping the key pins in. Now this is a pin to 5. It's a 6-pin core, so don't get mixed up with your numbers. And what I found out was it's a 7-pin Bible. There's 7 chambers in there. Have a look at that. 7 of them. So pin to 5, 6-pin core, 7-pin Bible. So try not to get mixed up when you're putting this one together, or you'll know about it, I reckon. So the first thing I'm going to do is not get mixed up. Yep. So that's 7, 6, 5. Cover those ones up. 7, 6. There's 5. Start from there. No, I'm going to try and not take out the camera with the pick, so we'll just back away a bit. Make sure I haven't moved. That's 7, 6, 5. Okay, that was oriented that way, so I'll put it in that way. Trap it, squash it, move the follower up. It's all a lot of anyway. This follower is slightly smaller than this, but we can work with it. Number 4. Orientated into the keyway, the keys against the key pins that way. Trap it, squish it, move the follower forward. Just number 3 to the standard. Whoa. Get in there. Trap it, squish it. Move it forward. Number 2. There's a nasty little T-pin. Tricky, tricky. Trap it. Squish it. Move it forward. Number 1. Most beautiful check pin. The pawn. Let's keep popping up. Tricky to trap. Squish it, move it forward. Okay, so now I'm going to put in a shim. Squish that follower down to keep them all flat, because the follower is slightly smaller than the Bible. Okay, now so the follower, this is my light follower. You can win one of these or two of these by participating in the Shout Out Monday series. Lock it up, because I do have the key at the back. Just it. Beautiful, smooth as. This is a beautiful lock. Thank you very much, Chris, for sending this to me. It has been a whole lot of fun trying to pick this one this morning. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.